Do you have boring kitchen cabinet doors? Well, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to jazz them up. Now, what I've done is I've taken some measurements on my existing door. I came in about 2.5 inches all the way around and I made my marks. Now what I've done is I've measured these marks and I've transferred them to a piece of molding. Now I've cut all of my pieces of molding and I've also stained them. Now what I'm going to do is dry fit them into place on my marks just to make sure that everything still lines up. Now here's a tip for you. Keep in mind that when you put stain on bare wood like this, it will actually cause the wood to swell a little bit. So you may have to trim it down a little bit, but using a nailer, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some attachments right here. You don't need too many because again, this is not bearing any weight. You just want to hold your trim in place. Put that there and that one there. You just want to make sure that your nails and your nail gun are not too long so that they don't poke out the back side. And look, our cabinet door now has a whole new look.